Hello students, let's continue our chapter real number. Today we have three questions, that is 0.34, 1.3 and 0.54. Okay, and here both number have bar. In B only one number have bar, and in C first number is leaved and second number have bar. We have to solve these three questions and express it as a form of rational number or P by Q. Okay. Now first we are going to solve B, after then A, then C. In B here is 1.3 bar. Okay. Let x is equal to 1.3 bar. Or we can write it as 1.3333, so on so. Okay. Now there is a rule. How many numbers have bar? We have to multiply the number with this for finding the rational part. Okay. How many numbers have bar? Only one number have bar. So we have to multiply it with 1 0 and with 1. Okay. Because when we multiply it by 0, it becomes 0. Okay. Now when we multiply it by 10, we found 13.3333, so on so. Okay. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what we found, when we subtract 10 and 1, we found 9. And when we subtract these, the decimal parts is gonna be 0 and 13 minus 1 is 12. Now x is equal to 12 upon 9. Both is divisible by 3. So we found x is equal to 4 by 3. Or we can write in a mixed factor 1 right of 1 by 3. Clear? Now we are going to do part A. In part A, let same process is here also, but there is a difference only that there is two numbers have bar. So by which number we have to multiply it? We have to multiply it by 100. Okay. The main motto of multiply it by these numbers is we have to put one number which is repeated before the decimal. Okay. When we multiply it by 10, this 3 comes before the decimal. When we multiply these two with 100, it comes before the decimal. Okay. Or we can write it as 34, so on so. Okay. When we multiply it by 100, we found 34.34, so on so. Okay. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 by equation 2. What we found? 100 minus 1 is 99. So 99x. When we subtract these two, decimal portion is 0. 34 minus 0 is 34. X is equal to 34 upon 99. Okay. Clear? Now C part. In C part, let x is equal to 0.54. Here bar is only on second number. First one is out of the bar. When this type of number is given, then first we remove first number before the bar. Okay. So for finding the 5 before the decimal, by which number we have to multiply it? By 10. So 10x is equal to 0. We can write it as 4 4 4 4 so on, so 0.05.444 so on, so 0 is unused because it is on the first place. So 10x is as 5.444 so on, so this is equation number 1. Now which we are doing in above examples, we want to find one repeated digit before the number. So in x, by which number we have to multiply? We have to multiply it by 100. Okay, because 5 and 4, for putting 4 before the decimal, we have to multiply it by 2 zeros. So this is 100x is equal to 54.444 so on, so this is equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. What we found? 100 minus 10 is 90 and 0.4444 is 0 and 54 minus 5 is 49. So x is equal to 49 upon 90. Okay. Clear? Have a nice day.